Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Adobe account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in adobe.com. Press enter. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Adobe. You can see over here, you'll be able to find various options over here. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. If you do not have the account yet, you can create the account for yourself by simply clicking on this option, create an account. But if you already have the account, simply enter your email address, or you can also continue with Google, Facebook or Apple if you want. So simply click on the option that you selected while creating your account. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. So click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Now after you enter the email address, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to another interface. In this interface, what you have to do is enter your password. So simply enter your password over here. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, reset your password, and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the password, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Adobe account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.